This video shows how to log in to the Analytics portal. Step 1. Go to the IRPA webpage. Step 2. Click the Analytics tab on the left of the screen. Step 3. Click the Analytics portal tag. Step 4. If you do not have the VPN client installed, click the installation link and finish the installation. Step 5. If you have the VPN client installed, just click the Login Here button and use your NMU credentials to log into the Analytics portal. Step 6. This is the page you will see if you log into the Analytics portal successfully. The dashboards you see on this page might be different due to your settings. Tutorial video 2 will show a general orientation of the Analytics portal.